Hi everyone and good morning. I thought that I would today have a clear out and do some destashing, and I thought you might want to join me. So today I am sorting out my wooden stamps, and I just thought, right, okay, I'm going to sit here. I might as well yak while I'm doing it. So I have these two baskets, and look, they're too big to go shot, and they're both totally full with stamps, and again this one as well, which I really do not use. Now my destashes, unfortunately, I think the wooden stamps are only going to be able to go to people in the UK because of how heavy they'll be to post, but let's see what we can dwindle these down to, and then I'll be able to see how many destash boxes we're going to do. So I'm going to start with this first box here, and I'm going to make two piles, one to keep and one to destash. So what I'm going to do, let me take all of these out. I have so many stamps, it's not even flipping funny. And then what I'll do is, the ones I'm going to keep, I shall pop back in my basket. And then we can then have a look what else we have. Oh my goodness me, this is just one box. OMG. I must admit, I do like wooden stamps, but I don't use them as much as I should. Right, that is one box empty. Right, okay, now this is a gorgeous flower, and it is a lovely, lovely stamp. So, keep or destash. Actually, I'm going to have a maybe pile, so I'm going to pop that in my maybe pile for the minute. Now, I do love these Hey Chick. They're Stamping Up, and they're Hey Chick set. So I do love this stamp set. Absolutely love it. I have used it loads of times. This is definitely a keeper. That one is a little rubber flower stamp. Do I use it? No, I'm going to put that in the destash pile. This one I have never used. It's brand new. I don't think I'm going to use it, so that one is to go as well. So let's start a pile over here. Roses, I do like this, and I think this would be lovely to start using this one, so I'm going to keep that one. I have these lovely snowman Christmas scenes. Maybe I'll put that in my maybe pile. Happy Mother's Day. I do love this stamp. Never used it. Let's take it out of the pack, and then I might just use it, because I do like this one. Oh, come on, get out. Right, okay, so I'm going to keep that one because I think that is a really cute stamp. This cocktail glass, I've never used it. It's going in the destash. This one, I've never used. Look at it, it's huge. These are big, quite big stamps. I think they're, oh, how big are they? Let's have a look. 3 by 3 those are, so they're quite big stamps. So that one's going in the to go. This one I quite like. It's got a little bird, little flowers, little leaves, so I think I'll keep that one. A unicorn stamp. I do have quite a lot of unicorn things, so that can go in the destash. Now, some of these I have twice, so definitely one of these. I think I can. I'm going to keep one and destash the other. What is this? Oh, this is, oh, it's got a handbag, a purse. Oh, they're all 4 purses. Won't use it. Destash it. Love and kisses. Maybe. That's a maybe. Let's have a look. Some of these I have twice. Again, this one I have twice, which is Don't Quit Your Daydream. This is a brand new one. I've got that twice, so one of those can be destashed. When in Doubt stamp. I love that. That's such a cute one. Let's have a look. What's these ones? Have I got some of these twice? Yes, I've got Happy Birthday twice. Brand new stamp. Keep one. Destash. Excuse me. Hey Chick goes with my Hey Chick one, and also You're a Good Egg goes with that one as well. Flower, quite like it, keep that one. Bamboos, never used it. Can go. What is this? I don't know what it is. It's like a little, is that a handbag? Don't know, that can go. Never used it. Right, what have we got? Congratulations. Just give it some time. Great little sentiments. This one is a teddy bear with a shoe and a little, maybe. That's a maybe. Happy Christmas with Santa and the sleigh. Maybe. Have it, eat it, do it all. Don't know. Another happy birthday. That can go. What's this one? Oh, from the heart. That's quite cute. I like that. When in doubt, stamp. I've got one of them, haven't I? I did put one in there, didn't I? So that's a double. So that's a brand new one that can go in there. And then we have... just give it some time. Did I keep one of those? Oh my goodness me. I'll keep that one. And then we have 2 of these. If you're happy and you know it, keep it up. So I'm going to keep one of those. Everything will be okay. I've only got one of those. This one, have I used it? Oh, I quite like this though. I'm going to keep that one. And what we're down to, that happy birthday, you can have that one in there. I think I'm going to keep this one. Like this one a lot. But if you never try, you'll never know. Quite like that one. Have it, eat it, do it all. Not bothered about that. Can go. Do I like this rose? Nope, that can go. So I'm down to my maybe pile. Let's have a look here. I do like this one, so I'm going to keep that big one. The snowman, quite like, can keep. Merry Christmas, Happy Christmas. No, I'm going to get rid of that one. And love and kisses, keep. And the teddy bear, keep. So we haven't done too bad. We've got all of these in the Destash pile so far out of one box. We've got all of these. So let me just grab something to put those in. Right, only thing I have handy is my bowl. So let's put all these in here while we go through the next. Look at all those, look. All to be destashed. We're doing really well here. Right, that's one lot gone. Right, now I have this lot here. So, no, that was Happy Mail, so I must keep that. But let me just get these out. Look at the size of that stamp. It is huge. I have some really gorgeous ones in here. Just give it some time. I already had that doubled up, didn't I? So we're going to get rid of that one in a minute. Put that over here because I've got that one. Oh my gosh. I mean, this is actually very therapeutic, you know. It really is. I mean, look, one person cannot possibly use all of these things. As you know, I am just an absolute craft addict. Oh my gosh, this one has even more in than the last one. Oh my days, oh my days. Look at all of these stamps. Right, okay. So I'm keeping this one because this was Happy Mail and I love it. This one I have never used. It's a little boy with a football, so I'm going to pop that over there. That one I really like with the heart and the script on. Present, not bothered about that one. Balloons, not bothered. Keep your mitts off, like that. Have it, eat it, do it all. I've already put one of those in, so I'll keep one. Secretly a mermaid, love that. Candelabra, quite cute. That one, never used, can go. Little hearts, cute. Oh, look at the angel, like that one. There's a heart one. It's quite cute. This one I have used, but I don't think I'll use it again, so that can go. We've got a little skater boy, that one can go. So get rid of, oh, look at these little teddy bears. Right, that's a maybe. I knew you could. I don't have one of those. That's another of the teddy bear collection. Happy Easter. I'm going to keep that. Handy to have sentiments. This one I've used. Happy birthday. Love it. Little butterfly I've used. Little rose. They're quite handy to have. Merry Christmas. Handy. Baby rattle. Quite cute. I believe in mermaids. Cute. Now I've got these little... What are those ones? Let's put this to one side. They're just dots. Yeah, I'll keep that one. Not doing very well. That one I've never used. That can go. And the story begins. Keep hearts and stars. No, that can go. Happy birthday. Handy to have sentiments. That's another of the teddy bear ones. Let's be mermaids. Go with my mermaids. Do not open until 25th December. I use that one a lot. That little teddy bear goes with the teddy bear set. Oh, look, there's a crab. Won't use that. These flowers I quite like. They're quite cute to have. Love and kisses. Cute. That goes with the little Christmassy ones. So let's put them to one side. Little bell. Not bothered about that. Look at this great big huge stamp. I tried aromatherapy, but it stinks. How hilarious is that? Look how huge the stamp is. It is 6.5 by 3.5. It is huge. I'm getting rid of it. I don't need it. Won't use it. I've done it once and didn't bother. Then we've got these cute little girls. Oh, I quite like that one. That one's a lot of fun. So we also have best wishes. With love, like it. Invitation, handy to have. With love. Everything will be okay. It can go. So that leaves me these bear stamps, which I think I'm going to get rid of because I've not used them. So we've got these 4 lovely stamps, so they can go. And I think I'm going to keep these for the kids, these little Santa, Rudolph and Angel. So we have done really well. And I have managed to clear out... Oops. Where are we? I have all of these now to be destashed. So what I'm probably going to do is sort them out into 2 piles or 3 boxes. And I will tell you how much I am wanting for them. But look at this whole lot here. Look, 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 look. Oh my goodness me. They are all going. Now, I don't know what to do, whether to put them in one big... What I'm going to do, I'm going to put this video up. If anyone is interested in purchasing the whole lot of these, make me a sensible offer. And, let's see if we can make a deal together. So I'm going to put this video up. Let me know if you're interested in this big pile. If not, are there any particular stamps you would like that I can put in a box? Because I don't really know how to do it. I could do it in like a kids section or an adult section. I do not know, but there are lots here. So if someone in the UK is interested in these, make me an offer. I can find out how much the postage is, and then we can go from there. If not, I will put them in separate boxes and do separate video for them. Okay, right, so that is, look at all these. I have sorted out one basket because I can now put all of those others in one, so I can actually start using them. Lots and lots of goodies here if you're looking for a bargain. So I look forward to hearing from you. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all very soon. Take care. Bye bye.